the bad you've seen, and all the others in between. Remember, do you remember the times of your life?